What is affiliate marketing and how to earn money from it? Affiliate marketing is the online marketing when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales done from your referrals. You simply attach the product link in your content. Affiliate marketing is the online marketing when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales done from your referrals list. Your subscribers purchase the product or service using your affiliate link. You get paid a commission for the sales made using your affiliate link. How to start affiliate marketing? There are two things you need to get started with affiliate marketing. First, create a website or blog in your niche. Second, choose affiliate products to promote. First, create a website or blog for your niche. To make money with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need is a website. When it comes to building your website, you have lots of options, but highly recommended is using WordPress. With WordPress, anyone can quickly build a professional-looking website in minutes, even if you don't know coding. Second, choose affiliate products to promote. If you have chosen a niche, choosing affiliate products to promote should be not that difficult. Choose products that suit your niche and relate to your content. One of the best ways to select your affiliate products is by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are businesses that join merchants and affiliate marketers so both can earn more money. Affiliate marketers use affiliate networks to make better product selections to promote on their site. There are many affiliate networks in the market, but here are a few of the most popular: Share, Sale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. Now that you own a website and join an affiliate network, it's the right choice to begin monetizing your site with affiliate marketing. So we start off. Step 1. Create content that produces affiliate revenue. Step 2. Advertise your affiliate products in the content. Step 3. Change your visitors into affiliate customers. Step 4. Optimize your arriving traffic for more revenue. Step 5. Boost affiliate revenue from your email list. Keep making money, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future learnings. Thank you.